Thinking about expanding your small business, but wondering how to get the capital you need? Or maybe you're looking for working capital to smooth out those inevitable cash flow gaps. Navigating business finance can be tricky, but understanding your options is the first step toward securing your company's future. That's why today, we're diving into the essential business loan options available at Patriot Bank, designed to power your growth and manage your operations. Patriot Bank understands that every business has unique needs, whether you're a small startup or a long-established commercial enterprise. They structure their lending to be flexible and tailored to you. So, what are your choices? First up, let's talk SBA loans. These are Small Business Administration loans, backed by the government, which often means lower interest rates and longer, more favorable repayment terms. Patriot Bank is an experienced SBA lender, offering both the SBA 7(a) and 504 programs. These are perfect for everything from buying real estate and purchasing equipment to securing crucial working capital. They even offer loan amounts up to $5 million with terms as long as 25 years for real estate. Next, for day-to-day financial agility, consider a business operating line of credit. This is your safety net. Think of it like a flexible credit card for your business. You only pay interest on the funds you actually use. It's ideal for managing inventory fluctuations, covering unexpected expenses, or bridging the gap between accounts receivable and payroll. It gives you quick access to funds whenever you need them. If your focus is on a major asset or construction, you'll want to look at commercial real estate loans and commercial financing. These are tailored for bigger projects, buying land, financing a new office or manufacturing facility, or renovating an existing property. Patriot Bank offers financing options for investors and owner-occupants, providing competitive rates and flexible terms for real estate and large-scale development projects. And for businesses needing a specific, focused chunk of funding, Patriot Bank also offers the Patriot Priority Loan, perfect for small businesses requiring between $50,000 and $250,000 for various needs. The key takeaway here is this: Patriot Bank partners with business owners. They don't just offer generic loans, they provide customized lending solutions designed to meet your specific growth goals, whether that's through low down payment SBA financing, a flexible line of credit, or specialized commercial lending for your next big project. To explore the best fit for your business, the best move is to contact a Patriot Bank commercial lender. They'll walk you through the options and help you put together a plan to secure the capital your business needs to thrive. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.